staying with us on TVC Midday News. Let's talk health. The Federal Executive Council meeting on Monday approved $1.7 billion in financing for healthcare sector reforms under the Human Capital Opportunities for Prosperity and Equity program. Additionally, 4.8 billion naira was also allocated for HIV treatment.
Parts of the big bureaucracy where there has been tremendous waste and fraud and abuse.
In January 2025, the U.S. administration under President Donald Trump implemented a 90-day freeze on foreign aid, which included funding for the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief. This suspension raised significant concerns about the continuity of HIV/AIDS programs in Nigeria, a country that has benefited extensively from PEPFAR's support since 2003. In response to this potential funding gap, the Nigerian government is now taking proactive measures to sustain HIV treatment and preventive interventions. The Federal Executive Council meeting approved 4.8 billion naira for the procurement of 150,000 HIV treatment packs over the next 4 months.
That is an important statement that the federal government is making to ensure that those who are already HIV infected, even though we have partners that are supporting the treatment, but federal government is already putting its resources to contribute. And we see that that is a signal that the support that the government is providing to those who are vulnerable.
The total financing of those two projects under the HOPE agenda, the Human Capital Opportunities for Prosperity and Equity program.
Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare also emphasized that the initiative projects the government's commitment to providing life-saving treatment and reducing healthcare costs for vulnerable populations.
The President is looking towards transforming the sector that is nationally owned, using national systems and using domestic financing as well as other sources of financing to ensure that those who are on treatment do not lose the treatment that they are already on.
In the past, Nigeria has domestically funded interventions. A multi-ministerial committee made up of representatives from various ministries and the Governors Forum has been established to develop a transition and sustainability plan to mitigate potential funding disruptions. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.